Building passive income online in Kenya is a journey that begins with a simple decision: choosing to create income that does not depend fully on your daily effort. Many people in Kenya work very hard every day, yet their income stops the moment they stop working. Passive income changes that pattern. It allows you to earn money even when you are resting, traveling, or focusing on other important parts of your life. This idea is powerful, but it must be understood clearly. Passive income is not quick money. It is built slowly, step by step, with patience, learning, and consistency. In Kenya today, internet access has grown widely. With affordable smartphones, mobile data, and services like mobile money, many people now have the tools needed to earn online. This means that even someone starting with a small amount, such as Kenya shillings 1,000, can begin building something meaningful. However, the biggest challenge is not access to tools. The biggest challenge is knowledge and discipline. Many people give up too early because they expect results too fast. Passive income rewards those who stay consistent over time. To begin, it is important to understand what passive income really means. Passive income is money that continues to come in after the initial work has been done. For example, if you write a blog post today and it brings visitors for 2 years, earning you money through ads or affiliate links, that is passive income. You worked once, but the rewards continue. Another example is creating a digital product like an ebook. Once it is created, you can sell it many times without creating it again. The effort is done once, but the income repeats. One of the most common ways to build passive income online in Kenya is through blogging. Blogging is simply writing useful content on a website. You can write about topics like business ideas, farming, education, technology, or personal finance. The key is to choose a topic that people are searching for and that you understand well. When you write helpful articles, people find your website through search engines. As more people visit your site, you can earn money through advertisements or affiliate marketing. Starting a blog is not as expensive as many people think. You can begin with Kenya shillings 2,000 to Kenya shillings 5,000 for a domain name and hosting. The real investment is time. You need to write consistently, at least 1 or 2 articles every week. In the beginning, traffic may be low. You might earn nothing for the first 3 months or even 6 months. But if you continue, the content builds up and traffic starts to grow. After 1 year, many bloggers begin earning between Kenya shillings 5,000 and Kenya shillings 50,000 per month, depending on effort and strategy. Another powerful method is selling digital products. Digital products are items that people can download or access online. These include ebooks, templates, guides, courses, and printables. For example, you can create an ebook on how to start a small business in Kenya and sell it for Kenya shillings 500. If 100 people buy it, you make Kenya shillings 50,000. The best part is that you create the ebook once and sell it many times. Creating a digital product does not require advanced skills. You only need knowledge that can help others. Think about what you know that others want to learn. It could be how to write a good CV, how to pass exams, how to farm poultry, or how to start a side hustle. Once you identify your knowledge, you organize it into simple steps and create a product. Platforms like online marketplaces or your own website can help you sell it. Over time, as your audience grows, your sales increase. Affiliate marketing is another method that works well in Kenya. This involves promoting products or services and earning a commission when someone buys through your link. For example, if you recommend a product and someone buys it using your link, you earn a percentage of the sale. This method works best when combined with blogging or social media. You create content that helps people, then recommend useful products. The key to success in affiliate marketing is trust. People only buy from those they trust. This means you must be honest and recommend products that are genuinely helpful. If you promote poor quality products, people will stop trusting you and your income will drop. Building trust takes time, but it creates long-term passive income. YouTube is also a strong platform for passive income. Video content is growing very fast, and many Kenyans prefer watching videos instead of reading. You can create videos about business ideas, tutorials, reviews, or educational content. Once your channel grows and meets the requirements, you can earn money from advertisements. In addition, you can use affiliate marketing and sponsorships to increase your income. Creating videos requires effort at the beginning. You need to plan content, record videos, and edit them. However, once a video is published, it can continue to get views for months or even years. A single video can earn money repeatedly without additional work. This makes YouTube a powerful passive income tool. Online courses are another opportunity. If you have a skill, you can teach it. Many people are willing to pay to learn practical skills that can improve their lives. You can create a course on topics like digital marketing, graphic design, online writing, or business skills. Once the course is created, you can sell it many times. Even if you sell it for Kenya shillings 1,000 and get 50 students, that is Kenya shillings 50,000 from one product. Automation plays a big role in passive income. Automation means using tools to do work for you. For example, you can set up email marketing systems that send messages automatically to your audience. You can schedule social media posts so they are published without your daily effort. You can also use tools to manage customer inquiries. Automation reduces your workload and allows your income systems to run smoothly. Consistency is the most important factor in building passive income. Many people start with energy but stop after a short time. They do not see immediate results, so they give up. However, passive income is like planting a tree. You water it daily, even when you do not see growth. After some time, it starts to grow, and eventually it bears fruit. If you stop watering it, it will not grow. It is also important to avoid common mistakes. One major mistake is chasing too many ideas at once. Some people try blogging, YouTube, affiliate marketing, and online courses all at the same time. This leads to confusion and poor results. It is better to choose one method, focus on it, and master it before adding another. Another mistake is expecting quick money. Passive income takes time. If you expect instant results, you will be disappointed. Scams are another challenge in the online world. Many people promise quick money with little effort. These promises are usually false. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Always do research before investing your time or money. Focus on building real skills and creating real value. In Kenya, combining online income with investments can increase your financial growth. For example, you can invest your earnings in money market funds, savings groups, or other financial tools. If you earn Kenya shillings 20,000 per month from online work and invest it wisely, it can grow over time and provide additional passive income. Building passive income also requires a mindset shift. You must move from thinking only about earning today to thinking about earning in the future. This means being willing to work now for rewards that will come later. It requires patience and discipline. You must also be willing to learn continuously. The online world changes quickly, and new opportunities appear often. Time management is important as well. Many people in Kenya have jobs, school, or other responsibilities. Building passive income may require waking up earlier or using free time in the evening. Even 1 hour per day can make a big difference over time. Small, consistent efforts lead to big results. Another important aspect is building an audience. Whether you are blogging, creating videos, or selling products, you need people who trust you. This can be done through social media, email lists, or communities. When you have an audience, it becomes easier to promote your products and earn income. It is also helpful to track your progress. Keep records of your income, traffic, and efforts. This helps you understand what is working and what needs improvement. For example, if one blog post brings more traffic than others, you can create similar content. If one product sells better, you can focus on that area. Over time, as your income grows, you can expand your efforts. You can create more products, start new platforms, or invest in better tools. This is how passive income grows from small beginnings to significant levels. Many successful people started with very little, but grew through consistency and smart decisions. Building passive income online in Kenya is not reserved for a few people. It is available to anyone willing to learn and take action. The tools are accessible, the opportunities are growing, and the potential is real. However, success requires effort, patience, and a long-term mindset. In the end, passive income is about freedom. It is about having control over your time and your life. It allows you to focus on what matters most, whether it is family, personal growth, or new opportunities. The journey may be challenging at the beginning, but the rewards can be life-changing. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. Over time, your efforts will build systems that work for you, and one day you will look back and realize that the small steps you took have created a steady stream of income that continues to grow.